Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to place a trade on Tradovate. So as you can see, I'm here logged in on trader.tradovate.com, and then the first thing I want you to do is just come to the bottom, choose what you want to place a trade for, whether it's indices or crypto, financials for example. You can search it up, let's say Tesla, you just search up the ticker symbol. Here, as you can see, we have Tesla. Just go ahead and click on that and then you begin the process. Or you can just come here, for example, let's get this E-mini NASDAQ 100. And to actually place a trade, you choose your quantity. You can adjust this right here. You can enter a custom quantity. Let's just do 5, for example. And then you can go ahead and click here on Buy at Market to place the trade. And it should show up here under positions. As you can see, we have a long position, 5 units we have bought at this price, and at any point in time if you want to exit it, you just right click on that position, click on exit right there. So we have exited that position as well, and if you want you can just go ahead and do a custom one as well. The way you go ahead and do that, you just come here, click on this gear cog, you can use the ATM settings, and you can also set up your take profit and stop loss. You can choose whether you wanted to go ahead and show it in ticks or dollar value, delta price. You can set that up and then just click on save. And then when you go ahead and buy or sell, it will use those settings. Just make sure this one is toggled on. But that is how to place a trade on a Tradovate. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, helps me out as well, and subscribe to Guides Archive.